Now I am discussing about the cost analysis chapter. And under this cost analysis chapter, today I want to discuss about the short run cost curve. Okay, means TC, TFC, TVC, AC, AFC, AVC. How you will make the diagram or curve, and through the schedule format, how you can make the schedule format. That type of information I want to give this. That type of information I want to give in this video. Okay, now see. So first I want to discuss what is the meaning of the total cost. So the total cost means TFC plus TVC. Here TFC is equal to total fixed cost. Okay, and TVC is equal to total variable cost. Okay, now so what is the meaning of TFC and the TVC? TFC is equal to, basic concept of the TFC is, number one, TFC is fixed in nature. TFC is fixed in nature. Means is that if you produce anything, then you will have to pay the amount of fixed cost. If you do not produce anything, then you will have to pay the fixed cost amount. Fixed is fixed in nature. And the fixed cost, it's not depends on the production. Clear? The good example of the fixed cost is, say for example, salary to the permanent staff of the organization. Rent, if you, say for example, you are the owner of a sweet shop. If you take the shop as a rent, then you will have to pay the rent at the end of the each and every month. So this is the fixed amount. If you do not produce sweets, then you will have to pay the rent amount to the landlord. Okay, similarly the next example is the depreciation of the machinery. You will have to charge each and every year depreciation on the machinery. So basically this is the concept of fixed cost. And what is the concept of total variable cost? So variable cost is variable in nature. If you produce 0 units, then your variable cost will be 0. If you produce more, then you will have to pay more variable cost. If you produce less amount of production, then you will have to pay less amount of variable cost. This is the first character. And the next good example of the total variable cost is, suppose in your sweet shop, if you produce more product, then you will have to pay the raw materials cost. Raw materials cost, you will have to purchase more raw materials. Similarly, if you produce your sweets, then you will have to pay the electricity bill, the power, electricity, the water, etc. You will have to pay more. So these are the concept of TFC and the TVC. Clear? Now see, if I divided by Q both sides, so then TC by Q, TFC by Q, and TVC by Q. Q means the quantity you are producing or finished product. So if I divide both sides, mathematically there is no any error. So what is the outcome if I divided by Q? So TC by Q is equal to AC, TFC by Q is equal to AFC, and TVC by Q is equal to AVC. So what is the meaning of AC? So AC is equal to the average cost. The average cost. Clear? What is the AFC? AFC is equal to the average fixed cost. Average fixed cost. Clear? And what is the AVC? AVC is equal to the average variable cost. Average variable cost. Clear? Now the concept of MC. What is the meaning of MC and how you can find out the MC? The marginal cost. MC is equal to the marginal cost. Clear on this part? So the MC is equal to marginal cost is equal to delta TC by delta Q. What is the meaning of the delta TC? The change of TC. Here delta means the change. Delta, or what is the concept of delta? Delta is equal to, mathematically the concept of delta is the change amount. So here the total delta TC means the total changes of cost. If you produce more 1 units, then how much amount of total cost is changing? That is the concept of the delta TC. Okay. So delta TC means the change of total cost, and delta Q is equal to change of output which you are producing. Clear? Now from this concept, what we are getting in brief, so most of the cases you see the numerical question is coming. Numericals is coming. So how you can solve the numerical? So from this information we can easily calculate the numerical and you can solve the numerical. Now see, what is the meaning of, what is the AC? So see, AC is equal to number 1 TC by Q. This is the number 1. Suppose AC is equal to TC by Q, because AC is coming TC by Q. Clear? Similarly, if we think the horizontally, then AC is equal to, if you think vertically, then TC by Q is equal to AC. If you think horizontally, then AC is equal to AFC plus ABC. So this is the number 2. So AC is equal to AFC plus ABC. Clear on this part? Okay. Now, what is the meaning of AFC? The same way, if you think the vertically, then TFC by Q is equal to AFC. This is the number 1. TFC by Q is equal to AFC. Similarly, if you think the horizontally, then AFC is equal to AC minus ABC. AC minus ABC. Clear? Now you see the ABC. What is the meaning of ABC and how you can find out ABC? Say on the same way, ABC is equal to, if you think vertically, then TVC by Q. TVC by Q is equal to ABC. So this is number 1. TVC by Q. And number 2, if you think horizontally, then ABC is equal to AC minus AFC. Is equal to AC minus AFC. So these are the more important part, and MC is equal to, we know, MC is equal to delta TC by delta Q. Clear? And TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. So from this concept, easily we can solve the numerical problem. Okay. Now I am going the schedule format of these concept, means TC, TFC, TVC, AC, AFC, AVC and the MC, and their graphical representation. Okay. Now see, at first I am making a schedule format, and through this schedule format, now see, you will see how we can represent on the rough sketch, rough paper. No need for any graph paper. So now see, I am taking a data. At first I am making 8 columns. 8 columns. Eight columns. Okay. So first one is the Q, means is the output, means is that when you are producing from 0 unit to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are producing 0 to 5 unit of production. The next data is TFC. TFC we know the fixed. Q in units and TFC in rupees. Why TFC is fixed? According to theory, I have already been discussed. The TFC in fixed in nature. If you produce 0 units, then you will have to pay 12 rupees. Then if you increase from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and any more, then you will have to pay the same amount of cost, the 12 rupees. So that is why TFC is 12 rupees and this is fixed. Now I am taking the TVC in rupees. That means total variable cost. So we know that variable cost, what is the meaning? If you produce 0 units, then your variable cost will be 0. Then if you increase the amount of production, then your total variable cost will be more. So that is why you see your data is increasing. So if you produce 1 units, then your cost is 8 rupees. If you produce 2 units, then 12 rupees. If you produce 3 units, then your cost will be 18 rupees. If you produce 4 units, then it will be 32 rupees. If you 5 units produce, then you will have to pay 40 rupees. Clear on this part? Now is the total cost. What is the meaning of total cost? We know total cost is equal to TFC plus TVC. TFC plus TVC. So if you add 12 plus 0, the 12 plus 0 is equal to 12. 12 plus 8, it will be 20. Then on this way, if you calculate, your data will be 24, 30, 44 and 52. Clear on this part? TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. If the column is 1, 2, 3, 4, then 4 column will be 2 column plus 3 column. Clear? Now AFC. AFC is equal to, we know that according to the formula, TFC by Q. This part already been discussed. AFC is equal to TFC by Q. What does it mean? TFC is 12. So 12 by 0 is equal to undefined. So that is why there is no amount figure is coming. This is dash. Then 12 divided by 1 is equal to 12. Then 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. So in this way, if we calculate, then we can get the 4, 3, 2.4. Okay. So 12, 6, 4, 3 and 2.4. Now the AVC. How you can calculate the AVC? AVC is equal to the TVC by Q. What is the TVC? 0 by 0. So 0 by 0 is equal to undefined. 0 by 0 is equal to undefined. So that is why we are not getting any data. Now the TVC by Q is 8 divided by 1 is 8. 8 divided by 1 is equal to 8. In this way, if we calculate, then the remaining data will be 6, 6, 8 and again 8. Clear? Now is average cost, AC. So AC is equal to TC by Q, or AFC plus AVC. AFC plus AVC is equal to AC. If you add these together, then automatically we can get the AC. So the data will be the 20, 12, 10, 11 and this plus this 10 plus 4. Okay, clear. Next is the MC, marginal cost. So marginal cost is equal to, we know, delta TC by delta Q. What is the delta TC by delta Q? So when you are producing 0 units, there is no any changing. So that is why no data is coming. But when we are producing from 0 unit to 1 unit, at 1 unit production we are increasing, then see the how much amount of total cost increasing from 12 to 20. So then how you can produce, say for example, from 0 unit to 1 unit, when we are producing, then marginal cost is equal to how much? The delta TC by delta Q. So delta TC means the change of total cost. How much amount of total cost? 20 minus 12 divided by 1 minus 0 is equal to how much? 8. So here will be 8. So here 20 minus 12 divided by 1 minus 0 is equal to 8. In this way, if we calculate, then 24 minus 20, 24 minus 20 minus 20 divided by 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is equal to how much? It will be 4. So on this way, if we calculate, it will be 6, then 14, and here how much amount is coming? Delta TC by delta Q, 54 minus 44, 52 minus 44 divided by 5 minus 4, 8. So these are the marginal cost, and on this way you have to find out the marginal cost. Clear? This minus this and this minus this. Now you see how we can represent this data into the curve. So at first I want to give some idea what is the nature of this curve. X O x dash, y O y dash. If I represent this data into the two-dimension curve, then the TFC curve will be like this. TFC. Clear? TFC curve is parallel to the horizontal axis. Now, if I draw the TVC curve, then you will see the TVC curve is starting from the origin and it will be the upward moving. This is the TVC. Clear? And if we make the total cost curve, then the total cost curve, TC curve, starting from the TFC point, so starting from here, that is called TC curve. Okay, so in brief, this is the TFC curve is parallel to the horizontal axis. TVC curve is starting from the origin and upward moving, and the TC curve starting from the TFC point where TFC is starting and the upward moving. If I add TC, TFC, TVC curve together with in a single diagram, then what will be the structure of this curve? You see. Okay, now you see, so this is the TFC curve, this is the TVC curve, and from here will be the TC curve. Clear? Now I am going to the AC, AVC, AFC and the MC curve, marginal cost curve. Now see one by one. Okay. If I put this data, the AC curve will be just like the U shape, that is the AC curve. Okay, and here will be the cost and here will be the output for the all curves, means the quantity, and here will be the cost, TC, TFC, TBC, etc. Here the AC, so this cost means the average cost. Okay, again see, if I draw the AVC curve, then the curve will be here also the cost and the output, that is Q. The ABC curve will be this. Little bit difference is there in between the AC and the ABC curve. Clear? Now if I draw the marginal cost curve, then the structure of marginal cost curve will be UC. This is the cost and here is the output. The marginal cost curve will be like this. This is the MC curve. MC curve, marginal cost curve, is start falling very fast, reaches at a minimum point and they can move very fast to the upward. So this is the characteristics of the marginal cost curve. So now I am giving the information how you can make the TFC curve by taking from this data. You see, on this way you can make the other curves. XO X dash, YO Y dash. This is cost and here output in units. Clear? So suppose here you see the board clearly. So here the data is 0 to 5. So here you take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, 5 unit. You see, take the common distance. Take the common distance. And suppose the TFC is the 12. 12. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is the cost. When you are producing 0 unit, then the costing is 12. So 0, 12. This is the point 0, 12. You are getting one coordinate point. Similarly 1, 12. When you are producing 1 units, then also your cost is 12 units. So that is why the second point is this 1, 12. then 2 comma 12. Then when you are producing 2 units, then the coordinate point is this 2 comma 12. This is the 2 comma 12. Then 3 comma 12. Then 3 comma 12. This is the 3 comma 12. Again, if you produce 4 units increase, then your cost will be the same. 4 comma 12. 4 comma 12. Again, if you produce 5 units, then your total cost will be the same. TFC is the same. 5 comma 12. Then if you add all these points, then automatically you can get the TFC curve. So today only I am discussing the TFC curve. The next video you will see I will discuss the TVC, TVC, TC, AFC, AVC, AC and the marginal cost curve. The same data I will take and graphically I will represent this data to the diagram. So then you can get the idea how you can make from the schedule format to the graphical representation. Okay, bye.